I'm delighted to say we've reached that part of the show where I introduce one of our very popular unboxing segments. Only this time, it's an unboxing with a difference.
Oh, that's exciting. What is the difference?
There's no box. Oh. I just thought we'd look at the gadget naked, as it were.
Sounds unpleasant. I think I know what you mean, though. Perhaps you should have called it the unboxed segment.
I call it what you want, John. All I need to do is ask Georgie to go from there to there. The camera can pan with it and she can tell us all about it.
That I will. So this is what I want to show you. It's called Sky Glass and it is Sky's first ever television. Now, as you can see, it's a gorgeous bit of kit. This is a 65-inch 4K HDR screen. You've got 6 speakers, a little inbuilt sound bar, giving you Dolby Atmos surround sound. But where it gets really clever is that you don't need a Sky dish or cables to get the Sky experience. Instead, this is beamed directly into the telly via the internet.
This will revolutionise the way our streets look, won't it? No big satellite dishes clogging up all the houses.
Yeah, and also you just don't have to deal with the faff of having a Sky dish on the side of your home. I think this is what people have been asking for a long time, so I'm really excited to see that Sky has finally delivered it. Now, a particular bugbear of mine is when you're watching TV, you have to go from the Netflix app to Amazon Prime to TV guides. What Sky have done with Sky Glass is they've aggregated all this information in one menu. So you have your top recommendations and it can go from iPlayer to Sky Sports to Netflix to Sky Cinema, and it puts all that stuff in one lovely place. So shall we watch some content? See how we like the telly. So you can search just using the remote or you can search using your voice. So if I say, hello Sky, play Temple. Right, should we give it a little watch?
When you're into a handful of meetings.
So, you're committed, aren't you?
Yeah.
Or are you going to take up a new hobby next week and disappear?
No.
Yoga, Pilates, helping the homeless.
Oh, no.
No, it happens. 1 week it's all guns blazing and next it's...
I'm totally committed.
What is your verdict on the actual telly?
Well, the sound's really clear, the picture's really clear. I really like it, George.
I think the picture's sort of on a par with a fairly upmarket TV, and the sound quality's on a par with a decent soundbar.
I really like the fact that you've got the speakers on the bottom there. I think it gives that really sort of cinematic feel, and you pick up the Dolby Atmos.
It also looks like it'll look nice on a wall.
Yeah, it's got all the things that you need to wall mount it.
I mean, I think it has the potential to tidy your living room quite a bit, because you've got that good quality sound and picture without having to have a separate sound bar, a separate underset box, and with just one cable going into it, and all in a very attractive case.
When's it out and how much is it?
So it's out now. Pricing, it's quite similar to a mobile phone contract. You know how some of what you pay monthly goes towards the hardware of the phone and then your minutes and data plans. Well, this sort of behaves in the same way. So you get a monthly contract and you can get packages starting from £39 a month, and that pays for your Sky package and also for the telly.
What if you've already got Sky? How much is it then?
If you've already got a Sky package, then it's an extra £13 a month, again, depending on exactly what TV you go for. You can actually pay for the TV outright if you want to. So this particular 65-inch is £1,049.
Thank you for that, Georgie.